Okay guys, so this paper airplane is not designed to fly outdoor, but I will show you guys how to fly outdoor anyways. To throw this paper airplane, you need to hold it at the center of the plane and do not throw it hard, just throw it light, and this will glide for a distance. You can see that. So if you throw it very hard, hello again everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. I'm Tri, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a new cool paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design, and this flies very well indoor, but it is not designed to fly outdoor. So if you want to test it outdoor, try it yourself. Now, to make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work too. And let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. On the following step, let's start from the top edge, fold both sides of the edge to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And now let's start from this tip, fold straight to this edge. On the following step, let's start from this side and the other side. Fold both sides of this edge to this center crease. Make sure that you leave a small gap between the center crease and this edge, and repeat the same fold for the other side. And now let's unfold the paper. Turn the paper over and repeat the same fold. You have the crease here already, and use this crease as a reference. Same thing for the other side. And now I unfold the paper again, and then I flip the paper over. I fold this part of the paper up, and I try to match this edge or this crease to the center crease. Let's do it this way. Let's finish one side first and rest out the paper, and then fold this side to the other side, or fold this part of the paper to the other side, and repeat the same fold for the leftover side. So let's fold it, and then same thing for this side. Let's fold this part of the paper to the other side, and then adjust it, and then press the tip down. On the following step, let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Let me turn the paper this way so I can show you how I fold it. So let's fold this edge to the center crease. After I finish folding this edge to the center crease, let's unfold the paper, right? And I'll fold the paper to the other side, and I repeat the same fold that I have done before. So I just start from this edge, I fold it to this edge. And I fold this, unfold the paper and fold it back. Same thing for this side. Let's fold it. And then unfold the paper again. Let's press it down, and then you can turn the paper this way, and then fold this part of the paper up. When you fold this part of the paper up, you can see this edge is moving forward to the center crease. So let's do it. Let's fold both sides and adjust it, and now you can match this edge to the center crease. Same thing for this side. So keep in mind that there's a small gap between both sides, so it is okay to have it. So let's just fold it up, and it's look very nice so far. Alright, now you can have And now I will turn the paper this way, and let's take a look at this. You have this edge, and use this edge as a reference to fold this side of the paper to that edge. So let's do it. I curve the paper and fold it slowly. Make sure that both sides are even, and I can just press down the paper. When I finish folding the paper, I flip the paper over, and then I can imagine that I have a crease from this corner to the other corner. And now I can fold this side of the paper up. And at the very end of the paper, I will match this up, this outside edge to the other side. So just match it. And I press down the paper hard. And I repeat the same fold for this side. Let's do it. I curve and fold. And now I can press down the paper. Here we go. So this is what we have. On the following step, I'm going to create the elevators or stabilizers. So let's adjust and open the paper, and then just press it, and then press the other side. Here we go. So this is what I have. Let's do it again for this side. Let's open the paper, and this is what you should have. I will match both edges here together, and then I just press down. Make sure that both edges are matched, right? And then now you can have this side and the other side too. So let's just fold this. On the following step, let's turn the paper like this and then fold it in half. Very simple now to create the wings. Just match this edge to the other edge to create the wings. So let's do it. Press the paper down hard. Make sure that you fold the upper layer too. When I finish one side, I flip the paper over, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's match this edge to the other edge to create the wings. So curve the paper and fold it. Alright, so now we have a very cool paper airplane. Let's adjust this elevator so that it fly better. So you can see here I will foot down to make a triangle stabilizer. That's why we have the plane stabilize. Here we go. So same thing for this side too. And here you go. Make sure that you press the paper down hard, otherwise you will have a lot of drag at the end of the wing. And finally, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. See you next time.